Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Shivaji Group of Institutions. Myself Prachi Trivedi, Mathematics teacher of class 10. Students, today we will discuss the part 3rd of the chapter area related to circle of class 10th. Now, firstly, what is arc? A continuous piece of a circle is called an arc. For example, this is a circle whose center is O, okay, and this part AB, this is point A and this is point B. Then AB is the arc of the circle, okay. This part AB is called minor arc, okay, and this AB is called major arc. Arc AB. Clear? Now students, what is central angle? An angle subtended by an arc at the center of a circle is called its central angle. For example, this is a circle whose center is O, okay, and AB, arc AB subtended angle theta on the center of circle, okay. Then we can say that angle AOB is equals to theta degree. And this angle AOB is the central angle of AB, arc AB. Clear? Now students, how we find the length of an arc? Okay. For example, there is a circle whose center is O and radius is R. A circle C, center is O and radius is R. Let the circle. Okay. We find the length of an arc. Then AB, we know that this is the length of arc. Let AB arc is L. Students, we know that when the central angle, we know that what is central angle? When the central angle is 360, means this is complete angle, okay? When this complete angle is 360, then the whole arc is 2 pi r, okay? When the central angle is 360, then the length of arc is, then the length of arc is 2 pi r, okay. Similarly, if the central angle is 1 degree, when 360, then the length of arc is 2 pi r. If this is 1 degree, then central angle is 1 degree, then the length of arc is 2 pi r upon 360. Clear? If the central angle is theta, okay, now this is theta. If the central angle is theta, if the central angle is theta, in this case the length of arc is equals to 2 pi r theta upon 360, okay, theta upon 360. Then formula become the length of an arc is equals to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, okay, where 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. 2 pi r is the circumference of circle. Theta is the central angle and 360 is the complete angle. Okay. Now let's see the example. Students, let's see one example. Find length of an arc if radius of the length is 14 centimeter and angle is 40 degree. Okay. Now we have radius means small r is 14 centimeter and angle is theta, means angle is 45, means theta is 45. We know that the formula of length of arc is equals to, we represent this length of arc by small l. Okay, length of r is equals to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. The value of theta is 45. 45 upon 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r means 14. Okay. Now solve it. Okay, 7 to the 14, it becomes 4 into 22 by 8, 2 means 11. Then the length of arc is 11 because it is length, then 11 centimeter. The unit is centimeter. Okay. Now the students, the next is how we find the area of sector. Okay. Before it, we want to know what is sector. Okay. Students, the region enclosed by an arc, of a circle, if its two radius are OA and OB are the radius and AB is the arc of the circle, then the region between this is called the sector of the circle. Okay. Here this part is called minor sector, and this complete part is called major sector. Clear? Now how we find the area of the sector of a circle? Let's see. Let a circle whose center is O and radius is R. Okay, radius is R and the central angle is theta, and A and B, the length of arc of L. Now students, as we know that if central angle is 360, the area of complete circle is pi r square. Okay, if the central angle is 360, then the area of complete circle is, then the area of complete circle is pi r square. Okay. Similarly, if the central angle is 1 degree, then the area is pi r square upon 360. Okay. Now again, if the central angle is theta, if the central angle is theta, then the area of sector then the area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Okay, this is the formula of area of sector. Area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now students, we know that we can write this formula pi r into r. Okay, when we multiply by 2 and divide by 2, then the equation become 1 by 2 this r into theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Clear? As students, we know that theta upon 360 into 2 pi r is the length of an arc. Okay, then we can write it 1 by 2. When we put the value of theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, the value is L. L is the length of arc. Then this is the relation between the area of sector and length of arc. If length of arc is given, we can find the area of sector with the help of this formula. A is equals to 1 by 2 r into L. Now let's solve some example of this formula. Students, one example is if a circle is given whose radius is 14 centimeter and theta is 60 degree. Theta is 60 degree. Then how can we find the area of sector? Area of sector is equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Okay, theta is 60 and 360 pi 22 by 7, r is 14 into 14. Okay, 6, 11, then it become 22 by 3. Okay, 22 by 3 centimeter square. Clear? Now students, that's all for today. We will discuss some another example of this topic in my next class. Thank you so much.